Having trouble using your Tamara virtual card online? Let's fix that fast. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you simple steps to solve issues with your Tamara virtual card not working online. Step 1. Check your internet connection and refresh the payment page. Step 2. Verify your virtual card details. Card number, expiration date, and CVV are correct. Step 3. Make sure your Tamara app is updated to the latest version. Step 4. Confirm that your virtual card has enough balance or available credit for the purchase. Step 5. If your card is blocked or restricted, contact Tamara customer support for help. Step 6. Try clearing your browser cache or using a different browser device to complete the payment. Quick tip: sometimes online merchants don't accept virtual cards. Try contacting the merchant or use a different payment method. If this helped, comment below, like, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.